Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this top. This is a two-part video and this is part 2. So we're working with a 3.0mm hook and 1 stitch marker. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this circle. I made a total of 130. First up, we need to make a magic circle. Next, I need you to place 6 single crochets into this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now you can close up your circle. Next, I need you to make a slip stitch into this very first chain right here. This stitch, sorry. We just completed our row 1, advancing into row 2. I'm going to place 2 single crochet into every stitch. This is the beginning of our second row, so here I'm going to place 1 stitch marker. Remember, we're placing 2 single crochet into every stitch. Our stitch count ought to be 12, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So advancing into the next row, I'm going to place 1 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 single crochet, this is the start of our next row, so here I'm going to place my stitch marker and increase in the next by placing 2 single crochets there. So 1 single crochet and increase. So we just completed this row, advancing into the next. I'm going to place 2 single crochets and increase. So we're going to place our first single crochet. Place back our stitch marker because this is the beginning of a new row. 1, 2, then increase. 2 single crochets. Then increase in the next. So we just completed this row, advancing into the next. We're going to place 3 single crochets, then increase. So take out your stitch marker, place 1 single crochet there, and place your stitch marker. This is the beginning of a new row. Remember, 3 single crochets, so this is 1, 2, and 3, then increase. 1, 2, and 3, then increase. Advancing into the next row, we're going to place 4 single crochets, then increase. One, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to increase in the next. So when you get to this point, in total I made 6 rows and it measures around 6 centimeters. So I need it to make, you can take out your stitch marker now and place 2 slip stitch just to seal it off. Chain 1 and cut off your yarn. So now that we're done with our circle, we need to make a total of 130 and join them into a strap like this. So I'm going to show you guys how I connect my. So we bring 2 circles this way, the good parts facing each other. So our ending tail here, pass them in between each other. You can do that for 3 to 4 stitches. I like to go over them again just to ensure that they are properly secured. While doing that, make a slip stitch. So you're going to keep connecting them. One strap consists of 11 circles. I have 9 straps in total. Also, I have this for my neck. Here I have 7 circles. And I also have 24 circles as well for my back panel. So we need to assemble our piece together. I'm going to assemble our straps this way. I don't know if you can see the full picture. I'm trying to ensure I arrange them accordingly, so whatever I have here is the same thing I have here. So if you're looking at it this way, this is how it is. As you can see, the mesh design at the front is properly covered. I have my needle and thread here. Since I've arranged my piece and I know how I want each piece to be, so I'm just going to take out every other part except these 2. I'm going to tack them neatly to the mesh. So basically what I'm doing, I just connected my thread here, tack the middle, tack the ending, tack the middle, tack the ending. So I'm going to keep like that till I get to this point right here. So I just completed tacking this first row, as you can see. And I have 4 circles left. So I'm going to keep at that till I complete my front panel. Mind you, anything you do on this side, ensure you do exactly the same thing on the other side. since I have my circles outside on this part, I would ensure I have the same thing on the other side as well. And I have 4 circles left dangling, so I ensure I have the same thing as well on the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and complete this piece and get back to you when I'm done. So I went ahead and I tacked all our pieces together, and I also tacked them on top of each other just to give it a nice finishing. So next we're going to move to our back panel. Here I'm going to place 12 circles. So I'm just going to neatly tack this the way I arranged it. I'm going to do the other side as well. Now I'm done adding the circles on our back panel. I went ahead and I did the other parts. I need you as well to add press buttons. Next, we're moving on to our neck. For the neck, I connected 7 circles. So I just need to connect them together and sew it to one part of your cloth. Then on the other part, add a press button. Giving us a halter top effect. Now we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Thank you.